Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Komaldeep Kaur Bedi, Senior Consultant, Department of Ophthalmology, Healing Hospital, Chandigarh. On the occasion of Mother's Day, I extend my warm wishes to all of you. Mother, like her, there is no other. The very thought of your mother and her eyes filled with love for you enlightens your heart with all those emotions. The biggest happiness for a mother is to see her children, see them growing and prospering in front of her eyes. So don't let aging take away these cherished moments from her. Aging can cause lot of eye problems and eye diseases which can steal away the vision. To name a few: cataract, glaucoma, uncorrected refractive errors, diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration. These are few of the commonest causes of vision loss among elderly. Out of these, I would today talk to you regarding cataract and glaucoma. Cataract, which is commonly also known as Safed Motia or Chitta Motia, is an age-related change in the natural lens of the eye, in which patients start seeing blurred images, fading away of images, misty vision, doubling of vision, glare problems, more so during night driving. So all these symptoms can incapacitate her from living her life normally and cherishing every moment. Same way, glaucoma, which is also known as Kala Motia, is the commonest cause of irreversible loss of vision among elderly people. In the early stages, glaucoma does not give you any symptoms. Therefore, it is commonly also known as the silent thief of sight. It is only during a routine eye examination that doctor alerts you, tells you and raises the suspicion that you may be having early glaucoma. The treatment for this has to be done early stages to prevent the irreversible loss of vision. Like that, there are few other conditions like people suffering from diabetes. They may develop diabetic retinopathy, which is a blinding condition if left undiagnosed and untreated. Every diabetic needs to be screened for diabetic retinopathy with regular eye examination. Same way, age-related macular degeneration is another commonest cause for irreversible vision loss among elderly people, which needs to be diagnosed and detected in early stages. All this can happen only with a regular detailed eye checkup. So on the occasion of this Mother's Day, gift your mother the gift of sight, get her comprehensive eye examination done and let her cherish all those moments. If you have any queries related to any of the eye problem or eye diseases, I can be contacted at Healing Hospital, Sector 34A, Chandigarh, morning hours between 11 to 1 p.m. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.